Hi everyone, I'm Arpita Kabra and I'm currently in third year electrical engineering and I'm planning to do a minors in computer science.
Hello everyone. So I am Arushi. I am a BTech second year student and my discipline is civil engineering. So as of now, I am planning to do honors in civil engineering.
Hi everyone, my name is Deepika Soni. I'm currently a fourth year undergrad student in the discipline of electrical engineering and I'm also pursuing my honors along.
Hi everyone, I'm Dhruvi Oravia and I'm third year electrical student and I'm pursuing a minor in CS.
Hi everyone, I'm Praveen Venkatesh. I'm a third year undergrad in electrical engineering and I'm currently pursuing a minors in robotics.
Hi everyone, I am Varun Dolia. I am a senior undergraduate in material science and engineering and I plan to graduate with an honors in material science and engineering.
Hello everyone, my name is Vyom Mudgal. I am a fourth year undergraduate student in the discipline of chemical engineering and I'm pursuing a minor in management.
Okay, so let's start with the first question now. So the first question is, what is so special about IIT Gandhinagar?
So there are many factors that make IITGN stand out. So I'm going to talk about one of them, that is foundation program. So IITGN usually organizes a foundation program for the first 5 weeks. And when we when we come to college, so we are very apprehensive about how we are going to make friends and how is it going to be how we are going to adjust to the life. So the foundation program that IITGN had organized was very good, and it really helped me in making friends and getting used to all the environment that IITGN offered. And also, I would like to talk about I would also like to talk about the interaction that the juniors have with seniors. They are very friendly, and there is nothing of a kind of a hierarchy in teams that we work and everything. So it's really great.
So like most of the students, you are not currently on the campus due to the COVID-19 situation, due to the pandemic. So what most do you miss on the campus right now?
Well, it's not only one thing that I miss in the campus. The list goes endless, but some of them are the nightlife, then studying together. It's not at all possible in at home. Group study, peer study. Then I'm missing volleyball, definitely playing in the campus. Uh, I'm not missing the best food that much, obviously, but it's pretty good. Yeah, that's it. I'm missing many things in the campus, the nightlife, the college life itself. Yeah.
So after completing all the assignments, I really miss going for a walk along the river on the scenic drive. So that is like a really beautiful experience. I really enjoy how silent it is there and how I can really experience nature.
So, are you planning to do a minor? If yes, then is it going to be like, what do you think? Is it going to be difficult or easy? So,
Well, I am going to be pursuing a minors in robotics. It's a very new thing that's been introduced just last year, and I'm going to be one of the first people to try out that minor. I believe that is going to be challenging in many fronts, and I expect to do really good research while pursuing my minors.
So I am pursuing a minors in the management studies and I started the courses for my minors in around the end of second year, I guess. And I'm completing my degree and my minors combined both in 3.5 years. So I guess it's pretty easy to complete a minors in IIT Gandhinagar and the courses are just fantastic experience for you as well. So what do you think is the most unique thing about IIT Gandhinagar?
If you ask about uniqueness, there are a lot of things and it's difficult to narrow it down. But the first thing which comes to my mind is the opportunities and the flexibility which the curriculum offers the students over here. It's not just with the academics, but like students are encouraged during all stages to take up initiatives to participate in various curriculars, participate in sports, and this is something which kind of helps in molding yourself and your all-round development. So I think this is something which I've able to nurture in myself over the past 3.5 years at IIT Gandhinagar.
You had a branch change at the start of the second year. What did you do for it?
When it comes to branch change, IIT Gandhinagar is a place where that is relatively a lot easier. I had changed my branch. I entered as a civil engineering student, and at the end of the first year, I got a branch change to electrical engineering. The only thing that I did was being consistent and persistent with my academics and be a good scorer in all these subjects. But that didn't stop me from exploring myself in other extracurricular activities. I was able to handle academics and extracurriculars both. And that kind of flexibility that it gave me was quite enriching.
To talk about branch change, the only thing that you need to focus on is balance. So I'd say you'll have to be consistent with your academics while not letting your other extracurricular activities slip. And this will get you through to whatever branch that you want most, quite easy.
So speaking of branch change, I have done a quite unconventional branch change. So I got enrolled into chemical engineering, and I changed my branch into material science and engineering after my first year. So like many, I had to brainstorm on a lot of things before doing that. Definitely grades weren't an issue. I scored really well in the first year, but the only thing which motivated me to look for material science as an option was towards the end of my first year, I started getting an inclination towards research as a career path. So I started exploring chemical engineering for research scopes. I started exploring other disciplines also. And I realized that material science has a very huge scope, especially in the coming years. So that was the thing which actually motivated me to look up to material science.
Was IITGN your first choice? How do you feel about it now?
IIT Gandhinagar was surprisingly not my first choice. When I entered the college on the first day, I was like any other student was sort of regretting that if I could have done one more question in JEE Advanced, I could have got a better college. But now after 3.5 years, if I look back at my journey, I could not be more grateful to the amount of opportunities that IIT Gandhinagar has provided me. The institute gives us a lot of freedom, but that comes with a lot of responsibility. And I also got to be a part of a lot of good activities. IIT Gandhinagar, at IIT Gandhinagar, I got the opportunity to apply for a scholarship called the Kargil Global Scholars Program. It is a one-of-a-kind scholarship which selects about 10 students from India and about 70 students from all over the world for exhibiting outstanding leadership performance as well as exemplary academic performance. And I'm glad to say that I got a chance to apply for this scholarship. I got a good mentorship to go forward with the application process, and I bagged it. So all I can say that now, as I reflect back about my journey, I made a good choice by choosing IIT Gandhinagar. This I can say with a lot of confidence.
So IITGN was definitely not my first choice while I was filling the options during counseling, but it was one of the choices as I filled the form according to my rank. So yeah, finally I got IITGN till the last round, and it was our first day over here when we came, and our director sir was giving a short speech about how the 4 years were going to be like. So he said that it would definitely not be your first choice, and you might still be regretting on that day that why did I get this college. But while you will be passing out or before that, you will realize that it was a perfect decision, and indeed it is. Like the amount of networking you get over here cannot be compared anywhere. The amount of overall development which you go at IITGN again cannot be compared with anywhere else. One main reason for is that our strength is low. Plus, the college itself gives a lot of importance to overall development of the students, not only in just acads but everything else. And you get a hell lot of options over here to explore. It could be related to anything. It could be related to research, management, or anything apart from the academics itself. So definitely it's worth a choice.
So IIT Gandhinagar was not my first choice while the counseling period was going on. My rank chose it for me instead. But I still remember the first day at college. It was the orientation day, and I was really not listening to the back-to-back speeches that was going on, and I was expecting classes at the end of the session. But suddenly it was announced that there would be no studies for the first 5 weeks, and it got my attention. Our then dean, student affairs, Professor Jason, was talking, and he suddenly mentioned that we treat students as adults. I was like, how though? But I know the answer now. During the last 4 years, which I've almost spent at my college now, I was exploring many things. I was exposed to many things, and I did many things in the college, which probably the students in other colleges have started exploring now. Be it managing full-on events in the second year itself, foreign internships in your third year, talking to colleges high-end guests firsthand, or means anything which has a similar stature. Uh, I would say that it developed my personality overall, and I'm proud to say today that probably it was better that I didn't get that 1 mark extra because I got into IIT Gandhinagar now, so I don't regret my decision at all.
So most of the parents during this time, as well as students, are in continuous dilemma whether the branch matters or the college. What do you have to say on this?
I'd say branch matters more than college, and let's be very honest on this. At the end of the 4 years, you get out with a degree, the branch, the specialization that you take forward in the 4 years, and that is what matters the most. The college does provides you a lot of extra aid. It provides you a good environment to develop. It provides you a lot of opportunities to grow. It provides you a lot of opportunities to network and connect. But at the end of those 4 years, you come out with a degree, and that is what puts you forward in the market. That is what makes you market ready if you exploit that in a good way. So I would give an advice that always prefer branch more as compared to the college, because that will basically that will test you at the end of the 4 years when you get forward and be ready for the market or the job that you are aiming for.
How is the hostel life at IIT Gandhinagar?
So apart from the fact that the hotels we live in or the hostels we live in have absolutely ridiculously well facilities available with us. This why I'm saying this is because we're actually living in hotel rooms. Means the single room which I live in right now, it has whatnot. It has an AC. The bathrooms we use has shower. It's actually like a steam bath shower. I don't know what to say about that as well. When I walk out of the hostel and I see and I go towards one of the jal mandaps there, we have two basketball courts and two volleyball courts. Every hostel has some or the other like student lounge in their common rooms. I don't know, means it's a lot of fun. When I was at home in the pandemic, I was just missing the TT sessions in the common rooms, and then the badminton. Badminton we play in Aban. Also, the new vending machines which we have got installed. We just lot of facilities. I just don't know what to say in this question.
What were the factors for selection when you were going through the counseling? And now that you are at IIT Gandhinagar, would you change that?
So during counseling, I was really stubborn on the fact that I wanted a top 5 IIT at any cost. I didn't want anything else. But then somehow my parents really showed me my options, and I kind of decided that I'll end up at IIT Gandhinagar. Well, after I came to IIT Gandhinagar, a lot of things changed. I started participating in a lot of student activities, sports, and then of course academics. And I realized over time that it's not where you are, but it's what you do that counts. So really, I went from wanting a top 5 IIT to looking for academic flexibility and really flexibility in all fronts.
How is the current online semester going?
So the semester currently is going online at IIT Gandhinagar. The academic affairs team has taken a lot of efforts in designing the semester. First of all, it came up with a very novel technique to cover up the previous semester which was going on. It kind of converted all the courses into pass-fail in such a way that the students graduating with those courses wouldn't get affected. And secondly, the current courses which are going on, the faculties are quite cognizant of the internet facilities which are available with the students. We are given a lot of opportunities in the sense that if a person is not able to have a proper internet connection, then the student can access the courses, access the classes separately via recordings also. So there are a lot of things which IIT Gandhinagar has taken into consideration, and also designed the evaluation in such a way that the common barriers which are connection, interaction, etc., are taken care of.
Well, now a couple of years into your college, what do you think your parents feel about your decision to join IIT Gandhinagar?
So my parents generally complain that you don't come home often. So that is one of the things which they complain very often. But jokes apart, when I tell them about the things which I'm doing here at IIT Gandhinagar, and then when they see me how I was 3 years before and how I am right now, they are probably proud, because they always say to me that, okay, you have changed a lot in a good way, and all this.
So, as a girl, it is natural for my parents to feel concerned if I'm living in a hostel and not at home. So, IIT Gandhinagar like focuses a lot on the safety of the students, and my parents don't worry about this at all. And secondly, like parents are worried about the food that we have. So, the IIT Gandhinagar mess food is really nice, and you don't really have to worry about how you're going to manage the next 4 years of your life. So that's really great, and my parents are not worried about this at all.
So my parents are really very happy. Like with the time I'm spending at college, definitely they miss me, but they are well aware of the fact that staying at the college keeps me active throughout the day. So it is said that go to bed fully tired and exhausted, have a nice sleep, and be ready again for the next day. That's what exactly happens with me every day at the college. We learn so many new things. We completely we completely get tired every day, and it's fantastic to be at college. And this is what my parents are really happy about.
What are your career goals, and how is IIT going to support that?
Yeah. So when I got into the college, I was very keen on exploring the research aspect of engineering. I took a project in my first year summer. Then in the second year summer, I got an internship at DRDO. And then in the third year itself, I got a foreign internship in Washington University. Uh, However, I could not go there, but what I wanted to do with all this is build a profile and then go into a PhD or an MS in a foreign university. So how the college helps me with this is that it has a fabulous network of alumni in US. People are at UIUC, they are at TAMU, they are at Austin UT, they are everywhere. So we can always call them, and then they can advise us for different things. We can access our faculty anytime. They are very, very supportive of us when it comes to research. They help us a lot with projects. They help us a lot with getting out research papers and things, and then we get a good profile at hand, and then we can apply for a nice PhD in MS. So that is how I think the IIT Gen has helped me in building my profile and then pursuing research as my career goal.
If you ask me about my career plans, I don't have everything sketched out spot on, but to give a vague idea, it's like I am planning to start my career as a researcher, and then I plan to sooner or later convert myself into an entrepreneur. So if you ask me how IIT Gandhinagar has helped me in coming up with this idea or has facilitated this understanding into me, is that the opportunities which we get over here, say, since I am interested in research first, I started my summer internship I did my summer internship in my second year at one of the labs at IIT Gandhinagar in the field of nanomaterials, which is a quite booming field currently. I continued that project through something called project courses, which IIT Gandhinagar offers to its students. And then in the third year, I actually bagged two international internships. One was the prestigious MITEX scholarship to get a fully funded opportunity at a place anywhere at Canada. And the other was the Caltech SURF program, the one of its kind program, which is offered by California Institute of Technology in collaboration with IIT Gandhinagar. So such opportunities which students of IIT Gandhinagar get over here are incomparable to what other students get outside. So this actually gives us an edge if we are planning to start a career in research for students like me.
When I entered IIT Gandhinagar, like many of us, I had no plan, no idea about what I'm going to do further in life. But slowly, as I got well versed with the curriculum, my interest shifted from research to management and now to techno management. Currently, at this point, what I plan to do is I plan to pursue a master's in engineering management, which is a combination of technology and management, because technology is something I really love and management is something I'm really good at. And at IIT Gandhinagar, I got a really good bunch of opportunities to explore these two fields and excel in both of them. In terms of the opportunities, if we say what kind of opportunities we get at IIT Gandhinagar regarding the internships or industrial experience, so IIT Gandhinagar is one of the few institutes in India where students get a good amount of international exposure in terms of internships. I got the opportunity to apply for the prestigious Viterbi Scholars Program, and I got selected for it. And that has helped me actually to shape my views about what I want to do further in my life and pursue and choose a career field.
Explorers Fellowship is one of its kind offered at IIT GN. How was your experience on the Explorers Fellowship?
So yeah, Explorers Fellowship is a kind of trademark program of IIT Gandhinagar. And even after like 2 years or so, you are asking me, the experience is at kind of top of my head right now. So it goes this way. There's a team of, there are many teams, but specifically talking about one team. So the team constitutes of around 3 to 4 students. The team has been given a budget. It's around 35,000 per member, and there are some rules. So abiding with those rules, the team has to explore the country for around 45 days and work on a theme. So the theme which we chose was farming systems in different parts of India. And what is more exciting is the rules which the students have to follow. So these rules are like, you need to travel only in trains, non-AC trains, second class, I guess. And then you are not allowed to live in hi-fi hotels and rooms because you don't have the budget to do so. And you are suggested to stick with those budget. So what Explorer Fellowship has taught me is it has taught me the value of money, first of all. And secondly, explore the different cultures which the nation has. So living at one part of the country, you don't know what is going on at elsewhere. You don't know how people are at other places of the country. So this small journey of 44 days teaches you many things. And these are just some of the things which I could highlight. Yeah, that's all. So in today's world, the leadership buzzword is going on a lot. So what do you think, how is IIT Gandhinagar producing good leaders in this current scenario?
IIT Gandhinagar is known to have a policy of keeping its students first in whatever things that IIT Gandhinagar does. And it is known to give utmost importance to the overall development of students. So being an engineer and an IITian, academics will be your stronghold and you will have a mastery over your subject. But what makes you different is your personality and the skills that you develop and hone over these 4 years at your college. And I can give you a first-hand experience of how IIT Gandhinagar has helped me and shaped me into a leader. Starting from the very beginning, the foundation program, when I entered the college, I was a very timid, shy sort of a person. But the 1 month experience of the foundation program really helped me to push my boundaries and push myself beyond my comfort zone and help me become a very confident person. Apart from that, the freedom that you get at IIT Gandhinagar to carry on and pursue initiatives at your own level is really good, and that has helped me to develop interpersonal skills and also leadership skills. Apart from that, you get a number of opportunities here at IIT Gandhinagar, and you get an easy shot at them. One of the main reasons that you can say is because the batch strength is quite low, so you have a good chance of converting them into your favor. Here, I got the opportunity to apply for the Kargil Global Scholars Program, which is a one of its kind scholarship program across the world. I got the opportunity to get to know about it. I got the opportunity to get correct mentorship to apply for it, and I worked hard for it, and I got selected for it. And I would say the entire experiences that I had at IIT Gandhinagar played a very important role in helping me bag that scholarship. And all I can say is that all the experiences and the opportunities that I got at IIT Gandhinagar helped me be a more confident person. And IIT Gandhinagar definitely has a big role to play in it.